my first vlog. I'm gonna show you how to pack a backpack for a long journey. Okay, first of all, as you see, we have many things on the table, from clothes over shoes, sport equipment, and technical things like cameras and external hard disk, drone, and actually all of this I'm gonna pack into my two backpacks. This one is the little one for the front part. This one is the one for the back part. It's the heavy one. As you see now, here we have all the technical equipment, so all the camera stuff, the drone, the hard disk, the earphones, earplugs, and different other stuff. So everything what you see here goes in my little front pack. Yeah, now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna pack. So first of all, I'm gonna pack the small one. Great! Now as you see, the backpack is ready. Front one actually, or the little one. I'm gonna show you already how I'm gonna wear it. So this is how I'm gonna wear it. I'm 88 kilograms and the little backpack is, I'm gonna tell you now, is exactly 7.3 kilograms. Done. So right now we come to the second part. As you see, we have shoes, very important, towels, then sport equipment and first aid and the wash bag. So this is the third part of all my things I pack. The clothes, I mean without clothes you go nowhere. So we start quickly here. We have the socks, then the boxers, and then I have the swimwear. Then I have of course my short pants. Yeah, especially the ones with the pockets that you can close. Then I have long pants. I have one pair and one pair I wear. And then I have my tank tops, my other shirts, and the normal short pants, two of them. Then for the warmer part I have some long sleeve here, pullovers, sweater. So now you saw everything. I showed you all my stuff I need for travel. My travel will be 9 months into South America, so this is what I need. Great, so now we come to the big one. And yeah, let's see how many kilograms I reach. Now we're gonna stand on the scale to see how many weights we have. As I'm 88 kilograms and we have 105.7, so it's almost 18 kilograms. Good job. Yeah, so now like this I'm gonna travel, front all the important stuff, back the other stuff. Thank you for watching. This was my first vlog now. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you could take some informations how to pack a backpack. And if you have any questions, just write below on my YouTube channel and I'm gonna answer it for sure. Thank you for watching. I hope you're gonna see my next one. Wish you a great day, good evening, whatever. Take care. See you next time. Ciao.